Hi, Rana here again from Technical SU team for Lemon. Welcome to our quick guide on understanding meta tags and how they relate to pages, web pages, or websites. Meta tags are snippets of text that describe a page's content that does not appear on the page itself. For example, it is the meta title for Lemon SEO Agency London, London SEO Company. So it's not on the web page. You can see it's not on the web page. So it doesn't appear on the page itself, but only in the page's source code. And if I go into the source code, so here we can find this meta title. It is the title and it is the meta title here. So it's visible in the source code but not on the pages, and tags are essential for search engine and user experience. And meta tags improve search engine rankings. It makes your content more discoverable and relevant to user searches. So now let's find the best practices. Let me explain again. It is a meta title and it is the meta description. So best practices include using relevant keywords, ensuring each page has unique meta tags, and keeping your description concise and informative. Write a unique title tag for each page, no duplicates, and use parent topic in meta title. Let me explain this. That's the Ahrefs. We have a column and we have a filter with name parent topic. So I found a trick actually. For example, it is the keyword mint syrup for coffee, and the parent topic is on in mint syrup. And when I check the SERP, the parent topic is used in the title morning green mint syrup, and there are no morning word in the keyword, so it means always use the parent topic in the title. Another example, it is the best cream for coffee is a keyword, and the parent topic is half a of coffee, and both are not broad or partially match. So let's check this out. We have heavy cream versus half and half coffee. So what does this mean? It means always use the parent topic in the meta title or web page title. I have another example. It is glass jars for tea and coffee, and parent topic is glass canister. So use glass canister in your meta page title. Don't use the exact keyword. So I found in a website case study that my web pages which has a parent topic in the page title or meta title they are ranking. So in the best practices use the parent topic in meta title and avoid generic titles. Use sentence case or title case and create something click worthy, not clickbait. and match search intent. Always try to understand the search intent of the user and include your target keyword or I mean parent topic where it makes sense. It's about the position actually, and in the beginning it's preferred, and most important thing is the length. Keep it under 60 characters, not more than this. In description, try to summarize the content accurately. Summarize your web page content, what is this about, and avoid the generic descriptions. Same, use a sentence case and create something clickworthy, not clickbait, and match the search intent of the user. Include your parent topic and target keywords. Here you will include both parent topic plus target keyword into the meta description and meta title. And the length, maximum length of the meta description is 160 characters. Here you can check it is a meta title. It's under 60, not more than 60. It's a 52 characters, and the ideal is 30 to 65, not less than 30, not more than 60. And same for the description. And I recommend a website to use this. You can use this for best practice or for understanding how your meta will look like. For example, best look at here the meta title, this is website. Let's copy this. Here you can see how it will look like. For example, if I write more than this, look, it's not showing more than 160 characters, right? So the length is most important. Always use your keyword or parent topic in the beginning. It's preferred, but always use where it makes sense. So that is the meta title and description and the parent topic. Thanks.